ดแชร์กด Subscribe ให้เฟิร์นด้วยนะคะ
Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look, she's standing in the crowd. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. Cause I just wanna see the light.
Hello, Mr. Bear. Today I'm at Tic-tac Skateboard. I'm in here. Look at it. Yeah, let's learn about the skateboard. See the video? One of the body parts of the skateboard is called brake and grip tape. Grip tape protects you from being slippery and you can play it so good. Another part is called track and bearing. It's like the choke and the wheels in the car. 3 of the skateboard trick. One is Tic-tac.
In this video, you will learn a technique for moving forward on your board without pushing off from the ground. The principle behind this method is to do kick turns from side to side to gain speed by lifting the nose of the board. First, position yourself correctly on the board. Place your back foot on the curve of the tail and your front foot on the bolts. Put your weight on your back leg and start making small kick turns, lifting the nose one way, then the other, using your shoulders. Once you feel comfortable with this, pick up speed as you tic-tac the board from left to right. Start with smaller turns to pick up speed. Then increase the size of the kick turns to about 45 degrees. This technique allows you to build up speed when you're skating, without having to push off from the ground. Keep practicing until you can build up enough speed to do tricks. Over to you.
Let's go and see. I will show you a tic-tac. Do a tic-tac. If you want to curve the skateboard to left, you should do like this. Left and right. Left, right. Left, right. Drop. Foot on the tail. Put your front foot over the front board. And then a little bit bend your knees. And put the body weight and go. Now I will show drop. Let's go. Fun too? If you're fun with me, you can go play with me. Let's see the next video. Say bye!